Experience the extraordinary with Hiya Automotive, the game changer that transforms your drive into an exhilarating journey. Introducing the heavy-duty car coil buffer by Hiya Automotive, crafted with precision using revolutionary thermoplastic polyurethane which comes with 4-year warranty. Installation is a breeze as it only takes less than 20 minutes. Say goodbye to scraping sounds as glides over obstacles, ensuring a hassle-free and confident drive by improving your wheel alignment. Experience enhanced comfort and stability. You can increases your car's height by 2 to 6 centimeters, conquering uneven terrains with ease. Unleash full control behind the wheel. Spring buffer engineering prowess delivers exceptional handling and performance. Effortlessly absorb vibrations and extend your suspension's lifespan. This acts as a powerful spring buffer. Elevate your drive, unleash your journey with Hiya Automotive today.